Hi, I was just going to show our famous dogs. This is Misha. Stupid light. Misha, come, come. This is Misha. It's my mom's favorite. She's 2 years old. She loves socks. Yeah, my English is not that good, but it works. Nikita, come. Come. And this is Nikita. She's the newest. She's 10 months old, and she likes to eat, and very playful, and she's very ugly. Stella, Stella, come, come, again. This is my dog, Stella. I had her in nearly 2 years, so she's about 1.5 now. But she's very good on do stuffs, but she's very stupid sometimes. Multik, come, Multik. Multik, come hit. Come, Multik. Multik, come hit. Multik, come. Multik is our other dog. Come, Multik. Come. Here he is. Here is Multik. He's from Russia, but stupid computer. Here's Multik. As I said, he was from Russia, but and now he lives here in Sweden. He's a very calm dog. Where sometimes he's very stressful when he's supposed to do something or go out or eat. He's very thin right now because he has lived in a cage in all his life in Russia since he was a puppy. So yeah, that was our dog. See ya.